I kept asking everybody, they're not doing construction work right now. Why am I hearing a boom? I'm like, I've never heard going on a thunderstorm with this.
Like last night?
Yeah, that's the last.
Yeah, that was going on all night.
I know, and I'm laying there going, this blanket, I just put it on my eye. And my liver died. Yeah, and then they said on the radio that lightning hit the Fourth Street and totally destroyed it.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm like,
Where's that at?
I didn't know exactly where it was at.
It'd be nice to get that on camera.
I didn't drink the cigar and wash my shirt. I really don't think it was a cigar. Because I can make it like that.
So what's your message for people?
I got it.
That's what you want to tell people? Love? You want to spread love? That's a good message.
No weapon formed against you shall prosper, and every time it rises up and judgment thou shalt condemn. This is the inheritance of servants of the Lord, and the righteousness. Not me. But me. This way. That's why I said, well, Lord. Okay. I already been through any thunderstorms here. I asked my dog, the dirt to draw lightning. I'm laying out there on electrician on forest field. Yeah.
Ron, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, like,